Good morning, student. Today I discuss about the acids, types of acids. These are the mineral acid, which is obtained from rocks and minerals, and these are the hydrochloric acid, and where it is found or uses. Note down you all. It is very important to know. Hydrochloric acid HCl aqueous, sulfuric acid H2SO4 aqueous, nitric acid HNO3 aqueous, carbonic acid H2CO3 aqueous. Aqueous acid means acid is always found in water soluble. So hydrochloric acid used in gastric juice, human body, found in human body, stomach, or tanning industry, hide industry, to clean the hide. Second is sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid, it is used in car batteries or in use in fertilizer. Nitric acid, it is used in fertilizer like ammonium nitrate. Carbonic acid, it is used in soft drink, Coca-Cola, Fanta, Thumbs Up, Mountain Dew, Pepsi, etc. Now, name of organic acid which is obtained from plants and animal and where found or used. Then formic acid HCOOH, found in a sting of ant or tanning leather. Acetic acid CH3COOH, found in vinegar or perfumes. Lactic acid CH3CHOH COOH, found in curd. Citric acid C6H8O7, found in lemon juice, orange juice, citrus fruits, etc. Tartaric acid C4H6O6, present in tamarind or in green mango or mango or grapes. Oxalic acid COH, single bond COH, present in tomatoes. These are the organic acid and where found is and how to use. Next is bases. What is base? That is important to note down. Base is the chemical substance, or base is the substance in which a bitter in taste and change red litmus to blue and are soapy in touch, called bases. Examples: sodium hydroxide, sodium oxide, calcium hydroxide, calcium oxide, and all examples are bases, which is all are soapy in touch, all are bitter in taste, and all are give the litmus test red into blue. It is a very important. It means B for base, B for base, B for bitter, and test, TASTE, test for T, B test. Now we can simply B test. Base, bitter base, base in bitter in taste is known as base. Thank you.